I want to make a quick video on basic home networking for simple home user who doesn't know much about high-speed internet or DSL cable and all that stuff. So I'm going to just do a quick rundown on how to set one up. You can go to any store like Fry's, Micro Center, online, and find a cheap wireless router like this. What you have, basically, when you get a router from the store, you can't just simply plug it in and it works. You need to configure it and secure it. So I will show you quickly what I have here, and maybe you can quickly understand it. This is a DSL modem / router. Basically, instead of using your DSL modem that the provider provides you, all you do is configure it. You plug in your DSL, then you plug in your computers. Like if you have a notebook, another wireless access point, a printer, you can plug into this, then you should be up and running. This, on the other hand, is just a straight router. It has wireless and the WAN port for internet connection. So you would have to have a physical modem from Cox or like regular DSL that you need to take a cable from there to this port, the WAN port, and like that one, you basically have all your devices plugged into this. And if you need more, you could just add another switch to it. This is basically a wireless device. So when you get the wireless router from the store, you plug it in. When you search for wireless on your computer, you'll come up as Linksys, or default if you use Netgear or any other brands, and it will be up and running. Now, this essentially is okay. However, this would mean anyone in your neighborhood, your next door neighbor, or someone driving around with a notebook computer can go on your connection and start using the internet. That is not good, because what if a user downloads some pirated software and say, ooh, cool, free, software, but your provider will call you up and says, hey, you're downloading this illegal software, cease and desist. Okay, that's the one thing you need to do, is secure the wireless. The best way is to use web encryption or MAC addressing restrictions on the router. So you basically can say, I want this computer to connect to this wireless using the wireless ID MAC address of this computer. So if anyone else's computer that is not this MAC address tries to connect to your router, it will say, hey, you're not on my list. It will not let them connect. That's one good secure way to secure it. Next thing you need to do is secure with your password. So you don't just leave your default password, which is admin, and username is admin, password is admin. That's the basic password that comes out from factory. You need to change that. Let's say someone gets into it. Someone could go into your router and just say, oh, admin, and they can totally change your settings and lock you out, and you won't have internet. So in order to connect most of the routers to any device, all you need is a straight through Cat5 Ethernet cable. One goes to your host and one goes to your router. One additional thing is, if you have just a modem, right, and you have one device, you don't have any wireless devices, other computers in the house, you would need only one cable, which is a crossover cable. This is basically connecting your modem straight to your notebook. So that's the basic layout of a wireless and home networking setup.